You guys are in industrial real estate. I'm in industrial real estate. People that are tuning in, they don't want to see a Hollywood blockbuster film. They just want to see content that's going to help them out. So I would say that it's not needed unless you get to a level where you're starting to do a ton of episodes and you're trying to start putting out a bunch of content. It's very manageable for a person if they just focus on the content and try to avoid the temptation of it being a Hollywood blockbuster.
Yeah, no, I think that's a great point. Just the kind of goes back to your original point of like, it's just about the value. As long as the audio is good and you're providing value, then, that's really what matters.
Somebody needs to come away feeling one of two things. They either need to have been entertained or they need to be educated. That they need to come away with saying, I learned something, or that was really funny, or that was really awesome to watch. And it's hard in industrial real estate. It's hard in almost every area, really, unless you become a really good storyteller and you've got a budget to tell these really elaborate stories instead of these elaborate scenes. It's really hard to actually entertain. Whereas educating is pretty simple if the focus is on the audience. Putting yourself in their shoes. What do they want? If someone's coming to a video, they want something from that video. They click on warehouse racking. They don't want to see a bunch of fluff and a bunch of infomercials about that company and how they're the best providers of racking. They don't want that. They want to know, how high can I put my racking? How do the sprinkler? I don't need to get into it, but there's a series of things that they're going to want to learn from it. That's the focus. If all you're thinking is audience focus first, they're the hero of the story. They're the ones that are coming. You need to focus on them. It's not about me. That's why I don't talk about myself. People just don't care to come on to a channel that they don't know me. They don't care to know me. They just want to learn something very specific. Put the focus on the content. Put the focus on the audience. What are they there for? How can you help them? How can you have them leave watching that video feeling that they learned something? It's not a complicated process, but we tend to overcomplicate it as professionals.